The law of averages is a wonderful thing when dealing with stress. We worry about the future. Now, we should prepare for the future. But worrying about it, preparing for it, they're different. When you think about the future, you anticipate doom, gloom, and disaster, catastrophe, the apocalypse. And that really drives your stress. Well, maybe some of those things you're worrying about are not going to happen. I love surfing. There are tons of sharks in the ocean when you go surfing. But in reality, every year, the number of people who die or even a victim of a shark attack is minuscule against the millions of people who are in the ocean, putting themselves potentially at risk of shark attack. But in reality, not that many people get attacked. So the law of averages tell you that your chances of having some sort of shark problem when you're in the ocean are pretty small. So you can go swimming, you can go surfing in the ocean. This is a metaphor for the rest of our life, that there are things that may not actually happen. And the chances of them happening may be incredibly remote. So we don't let those things stress us. Because we know, on average, the chance of this thing that's stressing me, worrying me, driving me crazy actually happening could potentially be pretty low. So get some perspective on what are the real opportunities for having to deal with a major issue as opposed to, on average, chances of that happening, not great. So you can stop worrying about that and focus on something else where the chances are much higher.